The government of Andhra Pradesh as well as IRDA came together and started this great organization called IIRM, which is going to very shortly have its own building in Gachibowli in Hyderabad, where the students will have a much better accommodation, academic atmosphere to study in. This is the importance which IRDA as well as the government of Andhra Pradesh gives to IIRM. And today I can proudly say that the Institute of Risk Management, Hyderabad, has been recognized as one of the very good institutions imparting insurance knowledge. And that is why institutions like ICICI, Prudential, both general as well as life, they have tied up with the IIRM. They have signed an MOU to impart, to send students who can be trained and then absorbed. I'm sure that all of you are going to be absorbed by ICICI Prudential. Once you start having a positive growth, that feel-good factor comes in. I'm sure the person who stood first in this group of graduates, that feel-good factor is definitely inside you. When you stand first in the class, the feel-good factor comes inside you and you start working hard. When you walk out of this convocation hall with the degree, the full knowledge, a lot of knowledge of the insurance sector, be proud of it, but don't think that you have learned everything. Because insurance is a subject which, even after 34 years, I still think that I have learned only a part of it. It's a huge technical subject which goes on changing year after year. Some of you may become actuaries also, because IIRM has an actuarial department, and you must have been taken through the class of actuaries. If you become an actuary, it's a very challenging career which you can have. So that's why I say that when you walk out of this hall with the IIRM degree and join your organizations, friends, think proudly of yourself that you studied in an organization like IIRM. 1 year's training is quite a lot of time where many subjects have been taught to you all. And you know now what is insurance, you know what is life insurance, not fully, but in the major portion of the life insurance sector you are knowing it. I would not like to stand much now between the convocation and your prizes to be delivered, and I would like to thank all of you, and I would like to congratulate all of you for passing out of this great institutions, IIRM. Thank you very much. Thank you.